Hi, 你好 everyone. Welcome to Qimei Mandarin. Last week, I taught you what's the story behind the Chinese character 国 means country. So today, I'm going to record a new type of video to teach you how we use the basic simple elements to build Chinese characters. So let's look at the first one. So today we are going to learn two. So let's look at the first one. First one, let's look at this picture. Right. So this is a person. So, but how we create the first elements means person in Chinese. So we just look at it like this. Right. So this character means person, and then we simplified to like this. Right? It's look like the person standing there, right? So this character means person. It's called 人. Okay. So what if we put two person together? This character is called 从. So 从 can means from or follow. So you can think two people from China and one person follow another person. So this is 从. And how about we add another person on the top? And then now become three people. So what's going to happen? You have three people together, right? So this word's called 众. So 众 means a large group of people, right? So 众. Okay, so this is the first elements how we use it to build other Chinese characters. And actually, so when we use this one, in most of the characters, you will see this part. So this one, actually, we just change this stroke a little bit shorter, and this one a little bit longer, but they are the same meaning. So this part means person. So whenever you see any Chinese character have this part, these characters are all related to people. Okay, so let's look at the second one. Second one, it's this one. So, do you think this character look like a tree? Right? Yeah. So this character means tree. So we call it 木. So means wood, tree. So and when we simplified it to write like this. So this one means 木. And then what if we put two 木 together? So we call this one is 林. So 林, two 木 together can become what? Woods. But what if we add another 木 on the top? So now we have three trees together. So this one, we call it 深. So 深 means forest, right? So it's very clear. Forest. So 深 means forest. You also can build another Chinese phrase. You can say 森林. 森林 also means forest. Okay? So based on these two elements, you already learned 6 of the Chinese characters. So actually, Chinese character is not that very hard, right? It's all built based on those simple small elements. Okay, so let's look at another one. So think about let's think about that. There's a person running in the woods, right? And then after a while, he feel very tired. So he see a tree. So he just lean on the tree, have a break. So let's see what we can build. So a person, right, from this one. And then running the tree, feel tired, lean on the tree, have a rest, right? So this one is called 休. So 休 means rest. Alright, so today we only learned 2 simple elements, but we built 7 Chinese characters. Actually, so if you know all the simple elements, sometimes during your learning experience, you can use your imagination. Maybe you can make some story to help yourself to remember and recognize the Chinese character. Okay, so next time we will continue learning more the simple elements. So see you next Tuesday. 再见. Okay, hope you liked the lesson today. If you want to learn more Chinese with me, or if you have any Chinese questions, please email me at qimeimandarin@gmail.com, or you can leave comments on my Facebook page, which is on the Qimei Mandarin, and I will try my best to answer those questions. And also you can follow me on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. They all on the Qimei Mandarin, and because sometimes I will update some other Chinese like pictures or very, very short videos on Facebook and Instagram. So if you want to know more, please follow me or subscribe me on those social medias. Okay, 再见, see you next Tuesday.